2011 Ford F150 5.0. Just a quick changing the compressor out and taking off the main belt. You use a 15 millimeter and rotate the tensioner, and that'll take that off. Then take a regular, there's some videos out there that say that you have to like pull that off, cut it off, whatever. But if you take just the regular 3/8 with the extension and shove it in there, and then just push down, that'll loosen it up. And then you got to get it off of the compressor to give you some slack. Then you got to go back over here and you've got to rotate that back around. You need about 6 hands. Now you can actually, one person can do it, but it's kind of aggravating. But you rotate that back around because that piece right there will prevent you from getting the get back in focus here, will prevent you from getting the belt off from right here, because it's got to come off and then come out. So it's a little bit of a pain in the butt, but it's all right.